Dear students, today our discussion RRB Office Assistant Mains Grant Test 23 Quantitative Aptitude section. Let's see the questions. Look at, we have a first table. Study the following data carefully and answer the following questions. 5 friends are there. Aman, Bobby, Chris, David, Emmy played a different games, chess, PUBG, poker. That means we have a 3 games, chess, PUBG and poker, and got different score. The table given below shows the total scores got in 3 games by each of them, and percentage of chess score out of total score. Also shows the ratio of scores between PUBG and poker and difference between chess score and poker score. Some data A, B, C, D and E are missing. You are supposed to do find it and answer accordingly. Note, chess scores obtained by each student is more than the poker score obtained by him. Chess minus, here clearly mentioned difference between chess and poker means nothing but we can write chess minus poker is equal to 80. We have to fill this data. Some values are missed out. Then if you need to find out an answer for this question, compulsory we have to focus these values. Okay. Then Aman total score is 500. Percentage of chess score is A letter. Okay. Ratio between PUBG score and poker score is what is the ratio? 5:1, and difference between chess and poker score is what? 80. Then this is how to calculate. Total value is 500. Total value is 500. PUBG value assume it 5x. Poker value assume it 1. Okay. Here assume it here 5x and x. PUBG value is 5x and poker value is x. Plus. Look at chess minus poker. Chess minus poker is equal to the results. Chess minus poker is mentioned. It is how much? 80. Chess minus poker is equal to 80. Then poker value is already we know that x. Then here c minus x is equal to 80. C minus x is equal to 80 means then c is equal to how much? X plus 80. This is x plus 80 is belongs to chess and poker is belongs to x, and here PUBG is belongs to 5x. Then total value is how much? 500. And we have to solve this. 5x plus x 6x, 6x plus x 7x, 7x minus 500, 7x is equal to 500 minus 80. Then here 7x is equal to 420, then x is equal to how much? 60. X is equal to how much? 60. 5x, x, 6, 7x, 7x is equal to 500 minus 80, 420, 7x is equal to 420, then x is equal to 60. Once you have a x is equal to 60, then we can write PUBG score and poker score and chess score. Look at here, chess score is how much? Chess score is x plus 80. X value is 60. X plus value is, this is a x value is 60. Then here is 5x. It is value is 5x. Then 5 6 are, it is equal to 300. It is 300. It is a 60. 360. Now as it is, we have to calculate for chess also. Then 300 plus 60, 360. Of course, they are mentioned percentage. I no need to take the A value. Directly I will go for the remaining values. 500 minus 300 plus 60. 500 minus 300 plus 60. 360 will be removing from 500. Remaining value is how much? 140. This is about first table. This is about first line for the Aman. Next, calculating for Bobby. Bobby is how much? Total score we don't know. 30% belongs to chess, and difference between chess and poker score is how much? 70. Remaining ratio is what? 5:2. Assume it Bobby is contain 100% score. Out of 100% score, 30% belongs to chess means remaining 70% belongs to 5:2. 70% belongs to 5:2. That means it is equal to 50% and it is equal to 20%. It is equal to 20% and 50%. Now 50 to 20, how much percentage? Total 70%. Difference is how much? 20%. Here the difference is chess and poker difference. Chess and poker. Chess is how much percentage? 30%. Poker is 20%. 30% to 20%. 30% to 20% difference is 10%. 10% is equal to 70. 10% is equal to 70. Here the 30%, here the 20%. 30 to 20 difference 10%. 10% is equal to 70. 100% is equal to 700. 100% is equal to 700. In 700, 30% is required. 10% is equal to 70. 30% is equal to 210. 30% is equal to 210. Then as it is, we need 50%. 100% is 700. 50% is 350. 50% is 350, and 20% is equal to 140. 140 plus 350, it is equal to here 490. 490 plus 10, 500. 500 plus 200, total is 700. Now, as it is, we have to fill it here also. Look at 600, 35%, C is to 6 and 30. Here 35%, 35% we have to remove it. 35% of 600. Percentage wise 2 zeros cancel, 6 into 35. 6 into 35 means nothing but here 3 into 70. 3 into 70 means it is a value is 210. It is value is 210. It is value is 210. Here 35% of 6. Okay, 70 into 3. 7 3 is 210. Then from 600, 210 value will be removed. 210 value will be removed. You will get what is the value? Look at here. The difference between chess and poker, C minus P. C minus P is equal to 30. Okay. Then C value, now you know that 210. 210 minus P is equal to 30. 210 minus P is equal to 30. 210 minus P is equal to 30. P for poker. Okay. Then 210 minus P is equal to 30. Then P is equal to how much? 180. 180. Then poker value, we know that 180. Here 6 parts is equal to 180. 6 parts is equal to 180. Then assume the value of the PUBG. Not required the ratio. C value directly you can calculate. Look at 210 plus 180. 210 plus 180. It is equal to 390. 390 is removing from 600. 390 is removing from 600. The result value is, what is the value? 210. What is the value? 210. And 0, 0 will be cancelled. Here 3 6 are, 3 7 are. That means then C is equal to what is the ratio? 7 parts. 7 is to 6. Now as it is, we have to calculate for remaining also. Here D, as it is Bobby, whatever the value you calculated, David purpose also we have to calculate similarly. Here total value 100%. 100% out of 45% is gone. 45% is gone. Remaining is how much percentage? 55%. The 55% we have to share to 13:9. 13:9. 13:9 means how many parts? 22 parts. 22 parts is equal to 55%. 22 parts is equal to 13 plus 9 is equal to 22 parts. 22 parts is equal to 55%. 11 5s and 11 2s. 11 5s, 11 2s. Then 2 parts is equal to 5%. That means 1 part is equal to how much? 1 part is equal to 2.5%. 1 part is equal to 2.5%. 1 part is equal to 2.5%. Then 13 parts and 9 parts is required. 13 parts and 9 parts is required. 9 into 2.5. 9 into 2.5, it is a 22.5%. Then overall 55%. In 55%, 22.5% is gone. Remaining value is what? 32.5%. Remaining value is 32.5%. 32.5%. Now look at the difference. Chess to poker. Chess to poker, what is the difference? 45% to 22.5% difference is 22.5 difference. 22.5% is equal to 90. 22.5% is equal to 90. Then 22.5 to 90 how many times? 4 times. It is a how many times? 4 times. That means here the total value, 100% you required. 100% is equal to how much? 400. In 400 we have to take 45%. 45 4 is equal to 180. 45 4 is equal to 180. Then in 400, 180 will be separated. Remaining is what? 220. Remaining value is what? 220. This 220 we have to separate to 13:9. 220. 200 plus 100. It is a 300. 20 plus 80, 100. Overall 400. 180 is completed. Remaining is how much? Here the 220. 220 we have to share it to. 220 we have to share it to. Remaining all the values. Remaining all the values. Here 13 plus 9 is equal to 22. 22 parts is equal to 220. 13 parts is equal to 130. 9 parts is equal to 90. 90 plus 130, it is equals to 220. 220 plus 180, 400. 180 to 90. 180 to 90. Difference is how much? 90 here. Then as it is, we have to focus here. From 800, 40% is removed. Here it is equal to 320. It is value is what? 320. 800, 320 is gone. 320 is gone. Remaining value is how much? Remaining value is how much here? 480. 480 we have to distribute to PUBG and poker. Okay. PUBG and poker we have to distribute to how much? 480 we have to Yes, substitute here. And look at the point here. Chess to poker here. Chess minus poker. And chess value already you know 320. 320 minus P. 320 minus P is equal to what is the value? 120. That means P is equal to how much? 200. Then poker value is how much? 200. Then poker value is 200. In 480, 200 is gone. Remaining value is how much? 280. Remaining value is 280. If you need the E value or ratio, what is the term you will cancel? 0, 0 will be going to cancel. And 20 and 28 both will be cancelled with what is the term? 4 5s, 4 7s. Okay. Now as it is, we have to fill the total table. Now if you need the answer for this question, then now you can focus. Then the total value will be available. Then total value will be available once. Then the table wise, then focus the question. What is the difference between total score obtained by Bobby and David? Bobby total score is 700. David total score is 400. 700 to 400 difference is how much? 300. Option A is correct. Option A is correct. As it is, we have to focus the remaining question. For this data, we have a remaining questions also there. For this, we have to calculate the data here. Yes, we'll see the next question. So, yes, we have a same table. The same table wherever we have a question like this. So, I already copied this data. We did so much calculation. After that, we got these values. Total value, chess value, PUBG value, poker value individually after the total calculation. Then we can utilize this data to solving the questions wise. Look at this. If the ratio of score obtained by Aman in chess and golf is 28:13 respectively, then find score obtained by Aman in golf. Look at here the ratio score obtained by Aman. Aman is who is a first person. Chess is how much? 140. 28 parts is equal to 140. We need to calculate 13 parts. 28 of value 140. 13 of value 6.5. It is equal to 65. Then answer is what? 65. Option E. Then find the ratio of score obtained by Bobby and David in chess respectively. Bobby value is how much? Here the 210. And next David is how much? 180. 210 and 180. 0 0 will be cancelled. 3 6 and 3 7. The ratio is 7:6. Option C. Next, find the difference between score obtained by Chris in PUBG and score obtained by Emmy in poker. Emmy in poker value is how much? 200. Then 210 to 200 difference is 10. Option D. Find the average of total score obtained by all the 5 friends. Okay, this all the values we can make it score. 600 plus 400, 1000. 500 plus 700, 1200. 1200 plus 800, it is a 2000. 2000 plus here 1000, 3000. 3000 by 5. 3000 by 5 value is what? 600. Option B. Next, total score obtained by Chris is what percentage more or less than the that of by Emmy? Chris is what? Chris is total value 600. Total score obtained by Chris is what percentage more or less than the Emmy? 600 is more than 800? No, less. How much less? 200 less. Comparing to 800, we need percentage multiply with 100. Then 200 ones are 200 fours are 1 by 4 is equal to how much percentage? Option B, 25%. Yes, the data is completed. We have a different question here. 3 people A, B, C are hired a work. If C works with 125% of his efficiency, then the time taken by him is equal to time taken by A, who works with normal efficiency. B takes 12 days to do the work, while A and B together can do the same work in how many days? 48 by 7 days. B value, alone value given 12 days, and A plus B both will complete a work in how many days? 48 by 7 days. Then from this we have to calculate A alone work. How to calculate A alone work? Then we can utilize these numbers 12 and 48 by 7. Okay. Then 12 into 48 by 7 by 12 minus 48 by 7. Here 7 will be cancelled. 7 12's value is 84. From 84, 48 will be removed. 84 minus 44 is 40. 40 minus 4 is equal to 36. Denominator value is 36. Numerator value is 12 into 48. 12 ones are, 12 threes are, 3 to 48, how many times? 16 times. That means A alone complete a work in how many days? 16 days. Now with the help of the A, we have to calculate C. C contain the 125% of efficiency, then A will be equal to normal efficiency of 100% for him. Then cancel the terms here. Then 25 5s are and 25 4s are. From this we can write C is to A is equal to, what is the ratio? You can write 4 is to 5. This is what efficiency ratio. Then coming to the times ratio, 5 is to 4. 4 parts is equal to how many days? 16 days. 4 parts is equal to 16 days, then 5 parts is equal to how many days? 20 days. C alone time now you know. Then finally we have to calculate all together complete a work in how many days? A plus B plus C. A plus B value already you know, 48 by 7 days. And C alone will be known 20. Then assume it A plus B value is one term. Okay. A can complete it for first person. X can complete a work in 48 by 7 days. Y can complete a work in 20 days. Then both will complete a work in how many days? XY by X plus Y. Then 48 by 7 into 20 by 48 by 7 plus 20. 7 into 20, it is a 140. 140 plus 48, 188. Here 48 into 20 by 188. It is giving the full percentage of work. But we require to complete the how much percentage of work? 94% of work. 94% of work. Then into 94 and percentage purpose denominator is 100. And cancel the terms. 94 ones are, 94 twos are. And 2 into 100, 200. 200 to 20, how many times? 10 times. Then 48 by 10. 48 by 10 is equal to how many days are required altogether can complete a work? 4.8 days. Option A. Next. A bag contains some white ball and some black balls such that number of black balls in the bag is 8 more than white balls. Assume it white balls are X, then black balls are how much? X plus 8. Then probability of drawing a 2 black balls from the bag. X plus 8. 2 black balls from the bag. X plus 8 C2 by total balls. X plus X 2X. 2X plus 8 and selecting a 2 balls from here. It is equal to what is the value? 11 by 20. 11 by 20. Here we can split the X plus 8. We can write X plus 8 into X plus 7 by 2X plus 8 into 2X plus 7. Here 11 by 20. Numerator value should be required 11 multiples. 11 multiples means here X value is equal to, here X value we can focus. Here X value I substitute 3. 3 plus 8 value is 11. Then 3 plus 7 value is 10. 11 into 10. Then 3 to the 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. 3 to the is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. 39, 10 and 11 and 14 is not divisible and not cancelled. Now I am substituting X values 4. X values I am substituting 4. Why I am substituting 4? I need 11 multiples. 4 plus 7 become 11. Then 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. 4 to the 8. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. Then 4 to the 8. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Then 12 to 16 how many times? 16 into 15. 16 into 15 and 12. Here 12 to 16 how many times? 4 4s are, 4 3s are and 4 4s are and 3 5s are. 4 5s are is equal to 20. That means X is equal to 4 substituted. Exactly you are getting what was the answer you need. That means white balls are 4. Now X plus 8 is equal to, this value is 4 and this value is 12. Now from this now you declare that overall value of how many balls are black balls, how many balls are white balls. The question was, find the probability of drawing a black and white ball from a bag. Black and white ball from a bag. One after another without replacement. One after another without replacement. Total we have a how many balls? 16 balls are there. How many balls are there? 16 balls are there. Out of 16 balls we have to pick the 2 balls. One after the other means then simply 12 balls from one ball. Then here the 1 ball from the 4 white balls. 12 into 4. 12 into 4 into 2 by 16 into 15. Cancel the terms. 4 1s are, 4 4s are, 4 3s are. And 3 how many times? 5s are. Then finally answer is what? 2 by 5. 2 by 5 means option C. Option C. Let's check the next question. Shukla deposited certain sum of money in scheme A offering a simple interest 15% is per annum, rest in scheme B offering simple interest 22.5 per annum, and total interest received by him at end of 3 years is 4,491. Find the difference between the amounts invested in both the schemes. If total sum invested by Shukla is how much rupees? 8,000 rupees. Total interest how much rupees? 4,491 rupees. Apply the mixture and allocation. Here you can take 15% interest. 15% interest for how many years? 3 years. 1 year 15% means 3 years means 45%. 45% is required. 45% is required as a money from 8,000. From 8,000. Then 45 8 is equal to 9 4 nothing but 3,600. Nothing but it is how much rupees? 3,600. Then first case wise you are getting a how much rupees interest? 3,600. And as it is here 22.5%. How much percentage? 22.5%. 22.5% this is 1 year. 3 years means it is become 22 3 is 66. 0.5 3 is 1.5. It is required 67.5%. 67.5% is required. 60% of 80. 6 is how much rupees? 4,800. Plus 7.5% is extra required. 7.5 double 15. 15 double is 30. 30 double is 60. Okay. Then 7.5 is multiplying to 8. 7.8 multiplying to 6. 8. 7.5% into 80. This is the value is required. 7.5 double is 15. 15 and 4. 15 4 is 60. Here is 600. Then overall value is how much? 5,400. Here we are substituting what is the value? 5,400. We have to take a differences. 3,600 to 4,491 difference. Here 3,600 to 4,000 difference is 400. 400 plus 491 it is a 891. The result whatever they mention it is a ratio based. 5,400 to 5,491. Look at 5,400 4,400 will be cancelled. Okay. Then result values will be 1,000. The 1,000 minus 91 it is equal to 909. Then 909 and 891 all will be cancelled with 9. Then 9 1s are 9 and 9 1s are 9. Next 9 9 is 81. 9 9 is 81. Then finally 101 plus 99. Here the first part investment is 101 part. Second part investment is 99 part. 101 plus 99 it is equal to total is how many parts? 200 parts. 200 parts is equal total is how much rupees? 8,000 rupees. 200 parts is equal to 8,000 rupees. The question is what was the amounts invested by them? We need the difference. Find the difference. Find the difference between the amounts invested. Difference we required. Here 101, here 99. How many parts invested? 2 parts of difference invested. Then 200 parts is equal to 8,000. Then 2 parts is equal to how much? 80. 2 parts is equal to how much rupees? 80. 80 means option B. Next. Ratio of number of males to females village A is 9:7. Ratio of number of male in village A and B is 16:25 respectively, and number of females in village B is 420. If total population of village A and B together is 1863, then find the ratio of number of females in villages A and B respectively. Ratio of number of males to female is mentioned. A males and A females. Next, ratio of A male and B female. A male, B male. A male and B male. Look at here. A male is to A female ratio is 9:7, and A male to B male, what is the ratio? 6:25. I have to make it the equalize the values. Which was the common terms are there? The common term is what? A male is a common term. Here I am multiplying with 16. Here I am multiplying with 9. 9 16s. Here the ratio is become what? 9 16s value is 144 and 9 25s value is 225 clearly. Next 16 9s is 144 and next 16 7s is 112. Okay. Now observe that A male, here the A male, here the A male, here the A male, here the A male. From this we can write final ratio. A male is to A female is to B male is to B female. Okay. A male value is 144 parts and A female value is 112 parts and B male value is 225 parts and we don't know B female value. Okay. It's not a matter. B female value clearly mentioned the number of females in a village is how much? 420. Then clearly mention 420. This value is not required. And this value we have to share 114, 112, 225. This total parts is how much? Okay. 100, 100, 200. It is equal to 400. It is equal to how much? 400. And 44 plus 12 plus 25. 25 plus 12 is equal to 37. 37 plus 44. 37 plus 44, it is equal to 81. It is equal to 81. Total is how many parts? 481 parts. Okay. The question wise, then find the ratio of number of females in village A and village B respectively. Village A and village B. Village B wise, village B females is 420 ratio to village A females is required. Village A females is how many parts? 112 parts out of 481 parts into look at from 1863 420 will be removed. 420 B females will be removed. Remaining value A males, A females, B males. Then 63 minus 23 is 43. 18 minus 4 is equal to 14. 1443. This value is 1443. And cancel the measurements. Here 481 to 1443 3 times. How many times? 3 times. And next, here the value is 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 4 is 1 and 2 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 4 is equal to, yes, here 4 2s are, and next remaining is 32, 4 8s are, and next here 4 3s are and 4 5s are. 35 and 25 both will be cancelled with 7, 7 4s are and 7 5s are, then ratio is A, option A. Let's check the next question. In the following questions, two equations numbered 1 and 2. You have to solve both the equations and given the answers among the following. We need the declaration about the relation x to y, x less than y, x greater than y. For that first equation we have to simplify. Look at the first equation. Total both side you can multiply with x square. 35x square minus 73x plus 36 is equal to 0. This is the first x equation. Okay, then 35 and 36, find out the factors. 35 and 36, this 36 I can write 4 9s are, and 35 we can write 5 7s are, 5 7s are. Here I need to know that 73, sum of the two numbers value is 73. Here 5 9s are is 45, 7 4s are is 28, it is 28, it is 45. 45 plus 28, 45 plus 28 is equal to 73. Now divide with 35, then 28 and 35 both will be cancelled with 7, 7 4s are, 7 5s are, and next 45 and 35 both will be cancelled with 5, 5 9s are and 5 7s are. Then finally factors are 4 by 5 and 9 by 7. This is for the first equation. And coming to the second equation, the second equation is what? 14y by 33 plus 1 by y is equal to 131 by 99. 131 by 99, and multiply with y and 14y square plus 1 is equal to 131y by 99 by 33, and take a LCM here, then it becomes 14y square plus 33 by 33 equal to 131 by 99. 33 1s are, 33 3s are, 3 14s are. Here 42y square minus the 131 is coming to left side, it is becoming a minus 131y, and 3 into 33 is a 99 is equal to 0. For this overall equation, simplification compulsory required. Then 42 into 99, 42 into 99, find out a factors for it. 42 into 99, 42 factors are what? Here we can write 6 into 7, and 99 factors we can write 9 into 11. Okay, so first of all we'll check with here 7 into 11, 7 into 11 value 77, 6 into 9 is equal 54, 54 and 77, 77 plus 54, 70 plus 50, 124 plus 1 is 11, 11 plus 120 is equal to 131, matches our clear value. Then 54 by what was the initially multiplied? 42, 42, and here is also 42. 54 and 42 both will be cancelled with what is the number here? Then the number will be cancelled 6, 6 9s are, 6 9s are, 6 7s are, and next 77 and 42 both will be cancelled with what is the number? 7, 7 11s are, 7 6s are. Now we have a factors. The y equations factors are 9 comma 7, 9 comma 7 comma 11 by 6. Now comparing the results, here 9 by 7 both are equal. 9 by 7 and 11 by 6, which is the bigger? 6 9 ja 54, 7 11 ja is 77, then 11 by 6 is a bigger. Then 4 by 5, 9 by 7, then which is a bigger? 5 9 ja 45, 4 7 ja 28 means here to here is bigger. Then here to here is also bigger. Then finally the answer is x less than or equal to y. X less than or equal to y means option D. Next, A and B enter into a partnership, into a business with initial investments of 1134 and 882 rupees respectively. There is a and there is a B. Then A investment is 1134 and B investment is 882 rupees. A investment is some months and B investment is some months. After 1 month, after 8 months, A made an additional investment of how much rupees? 738 rupees. 738 rupees extra investment. And B made an additional investment of how much rupees? 975 rupees extra investment. Okay. Then A investment is nothing change. A investment is nothing change means this 113 rupees, 1134 rupees invested for 17 months, and after the 8 months, 738 rupees invested extra means the 738 rupees is purpose just 9 months experience. Then B purpose, 88 rupees invested initially, it is for 17 months. How many months? 17 months. Out of 17 months, after 8 months, then he is increasing his additional 974 rupees means this experience is for 9 months. Then this is the A portion, this is the B portion, A portion and B portion. Some calculation is required here. Then cancel the values. 9 cancelled. 9 how many times? 9 9 ja is 81, remaining is 72, 9 8 ja. And here is also 9 cancel. 9 how many times? 9 1 ja 9, remaining is 23, 9 2 ja is 18, 18 to 23 difference is 5, 54, 9 6 ja. Okay. Again here is need to cancel. Then 17 to 126 and 17 to 98 multiply and add it with 974 and 738. Then finally you will get 12:11 ratio. The profit ratio what you will get? 12:11. Then when's your simplification remaining. Then at the end of the 17 months, they donated 8 by 17. They donated 8 by 17 means remaining is how much? 9 by 17. 9 by 17. The part of the total profit a charity and they divided the rest in themselves. Find the profit share of A. Find the share of profit. Find the share of profit means how much part? 9 by 17 of 9 by 17 of total profit is how much? 15640. 15640. In this whose profit is required? A profit is required. A profit how many parts? 12 parts. Out of how many parts? 23 parts. Okay. Cancel the values here. 17 to here how many times? 17 9 ja. 17 9 ja value is 153. 153 means remaining is 34, 17 2 ja and 0. Okay. Next 23 to 92 4 times and 4 0 and multiplication. 12 9 ja is 108. 108 into 40. 108 into 40. 0 extra. 4 8 ja is 32 and 4 1 ja 4. Then finally A profit is how much rupees? 4320 rupees. Option B. Next. A hollow sphere of outer diameter 24 cm is cut into 2 equal hemispheres. The total surface area of one of the hemisphere is 1371 cm square. Each one of the hemisphere is filled with water. What is the volume of the water then can be filled in each of the hemisphere? Then outer hemisphere assume it capital R. Outer hemisphere assume it radius value is capital R. Inner you can assume it small r. Then capital R wise diameter is clearly mentioned 24 cm mean. Then here the radius is become how much? 12. Radius is how much? 12. This is for outer hemisphere. Inner hemisphere purpose we don't know the radius. Okay. And clearly mention this 1371. The total surface area. The total surface area formula for the hemisphere 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r square plus pi r square minus pi r square is equal to what is the value? 1371. And clearly mention pi value. What is the value you can consider? 3 value we can take it. Then 3 value we can substitute. Here is a pi is there, here is a pi is there, here is a pi is there, here is a pi is there. 2 pi r square plus pi r square, it is a 3 pi r square. And 2 pi r square minus pi r square, it is a pi r square. okay, and pi will be common. The pi value will be this pi will be, I am substituted with 3, it is equal to 1371. This is what is the formula? Total surface area of hemisphere. Then 3 will be going to cancel. 3 how many times? 3 4s is 12, the remaining is 17. 3 5s is 15, then remaining is 21. 3 7s. Next, R value we know that 12. 12 we have to substitute. 12 square value is 144. 144 is multiplying 3. 14 3s is 420. 4 3s is 12. This total value is becoming 432. 432 minus R square and 457. And 432 to 457 difference is 25. Difference is 25 means the difference is R square. R square is equal to 25 means then R is equal to what is the value from here? 5. Smaller radius, you know that. Now question is, what is the volume of water then can be filled in each of the hemisphere? Each of the hemisphere, then volume of the hemisphere formula is 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 pi r cube. Then 2 by 3 pi r cube means 2 by 3 into pi value already we know that 3, and 5 cube means 5 cube value is what? 125. 125 2s is equal to how much? 250. 250 centimeter cube, option D. Next, monthly expenditure of Ramesh is 3520 more than his monthly savings, and monthly savings of Suresh is 136 rupees less than his monthly expenditure. If monthly income of Suresh is 15% more than monthly income of Ramesh, then find the ratio of monthly expenditure of Ramesh to Suresh, given that monthly savings of Suresh is how much rupees? 1680 rupees more than the monthly savings of Ramesh. There are two candidates are there. First candidate you can consider Ramesh. Ramesh income, expenditures and savings, and next one Suresh. Suresh income, expenditure and savings. Okay, then here monthly expenditure of Ramesh is 3520 rupees more than his monthly savings. His monthly savings. Monthly savings is assumed is X. Then expenditure is become how much? X plus 3520. X plus 3520. Then expenditure plus savings is equal to what? Any person's income. Then expenditure is belongs to here X plus 3520 and savings is belongs to X. These both are added, you will get what is the value? Ramesh income. Then as it is we have to write for the Suresh. Suresh for what? If monthly income of Suresh is 15% more than the monthly income of Ramesh, then find the ratio of monthly expenditure of Ramesh to Suresh, given that and that monthly savings of Suresh is 1680 rupees more than the monthly savings of Ramesh. Monthly savings of Ramesh is X rupees. Okay, how much rupees? X rupees. Then here 3520 rupees monthly savings and monthly savings of Suresh is 1360 rupees less than his monthly expenditures. Okay, comparing to this, how much rupees extra? 1680 rupees extra. 1608 rupees extra. Then with reference of this, we have to write it income, sorry, expenditure for whom? Suresh. Suresh expenditure is how to write? Look at savings of Suresh is how much rupees less? 1360 rupees less than his monthly expenditure. 1360 we can add it. 1600 plus 1300 2900. Then 80 plus 60 is equal to 140. 140 plus 2900 it is equal to 3040. Then X plus 3040. X plus 3040. Now coming to the point, Suresh is 15% more than the monthly income of Ramesh. Suresh income is how much? 2x, x plus x 2x plus 3040 plus 1680. Look at 3000 plus 1000 4000. 680 plus 40 it is 720. It is 4720 by here is also x plus x is equal to 2x plus 3520, 3x plus 2520 is equal to how much percentage? It is a 15% more means it is a 115 and it is a 100, and 100 and 115 both will be cancelled. Comparing to Ramesh income, Suresh income is how much percentage more? 15% more. If it is 100% means it is a 115%. Then cancel the numbers. 5 20s are 5 23s are 5 23s are, and next here cross multiply 20 into 22x, it is a 40x plus 4720 and 2. Here 720 double 0 and 0, 2 zeros, 2 2s is 4, 2 7s is 14 and 2 4s 8. It is a 94400. Next multiply with 23. 23 2s is equal to 46x plus 23 into 3520. 23 1 0, 23 0. Then 23 2s are 46, 6 carry forward is 4 and 23 5s are, 23 5s is 115, 115 plus 4 here 119, then 9 carry forward is 11, 23 3s are 69, 69 plus 11, 69 plus 11 80, 80960. When you are solving this, you will get x is equal to 2200. What is the value you will get? 2200. Yeah, what is the value you get? 2240 you will get. Basically you will get 2240. Here 94,000 minus 400 and 80,000 minus 80,960 you will get here 13,000 difference. Here 13,040. Okay, then 13,440 you will get. From this you can divide with 6, you will get what is the value? 2240. Then this 2240 value, x value. Now we need to know, the question is what? Then find the ratio of monthly expenditures of Ramesh to Suresh. Expenditures ratio required. Expenditure is what? X plus 3520, 2240 plus 3520. First ratio belongs to Ramesh. 3520 plus 2240. 35 plus 22. It is equal to 57. 40 plus 20 is equal to 60. Ratio 2. Next 3040 plus x. 40 plus 40 it is a 80. And 30 plus 22 it is a 52. Here is 0 will be cancelled. And 576 and 528 both will be cancelled with 4. 4 1s are, remaining is 17. 4 4s are is 16 and 4 4s are is 16. Next here 4 1s are, remaining is 12. 4 3s are is 12 and 4 2s are is 8. And 132 144 both will be cancelled with 12. 12 12s are into 12 11s are. Then final answer is what is answer? 12 is to 11, option B. Next we have substitute the values. Some liters are there. Some liters means as per the statement 90 liters of mixture contains milk and waters in the ratio 4:1. Some percentage of mixture is taken out such that the mixture is contain how many liters of milk. Then total is how many liters are there? 90 liters are there. First statement wise, here how many liters are there? 90 liters are there. Okay. Then out of 90 liters, how much percentage taken out? 33 1/3 percentage. 33 1/3 percentage means how many liters taken out? 1/3 liters taken out. Then 1/3 part of the 90 liters means 30 liters. Out of 30 liters we need whose value? Milk value. Whose value? Milk value. Then milk is how many parts? 4 parts. And total is how many parts? 5 parts. 4/5. 4/5. Cancel the terms. 5 3s is 15. 15 6 6 4 is equal to how many liters? 24 liters. 24. It is a matches. That means statement 1 is exactly correct. We have to do the same simplification for the next question. Next statement. 180. Overall is 180 liters. In this, how much percentage taken out? 25% is taken out. That means 1/4. In this, we required 4/5 part because finally they are asking milk value. Okay. Then 4 will be cancelled. 5 how many times? 180. Okay. 5 36. 5 3s is 15. 5 6. That means it is a how many liter? 36 liter. Here is also 36 liter. That means statement 2 is exactly correct. Now go for here the 140 liters statement. Third we are checking 140 liters. Out of 140 liters we have to take how much percentage? 50%. 1/2. 1/2. Out of this we required how much part? Milk. 4/5. 5 2s is 10 and 14 4s is how many liters? 56 liters. Here is also 56 liters. That means statement 1 is correct, statement 2 is correct, statement 3 is also correct. That means answer is what? All. Option A. Next. An article of cost price is 800. Okay. Cost price is how much rupees? 800. In this 800 marked up by 25%. Okay. CP value. CP value is how much? 800 and marked up by how much percentage? 25%. MP value we can write 25% of 800, 200 is increase and 800 it is become 1000 rupees. And then it discounted how much rupees? 280 rupees discounted. 280 rupees discounted on 1000 means remaining is how much rupees? 720. Then 720, 800 became a 720 means how much rupees loss? 80 rupees loss. 80 rupees is equal to how much percentage? 10 percentage of 800. 10 percentage of 800. Then it is also same thing. Article says that there is a loss of how much percentage? 10 percentage. 10 percentage. That means statement 1 is exactly correct. Statement 1 is exactly correct. The statement 1 is exactly correct. Statement 1 is exactly correct. Look at the statement 2 as it is. CP value is a 1500. Now incremented by 30 percentage. 30 percentage of 1500, 450. Then 450 increase, it is becoming 1950. Now allowed how much rupees discount? 550 rupees discount. 550 rupees discount means the product is sold out for how much rupees? 1400. Then 1500 to 1400 difference is how much? 100. But I need how much percentage loss? 10 percentage loss. 10 percentage of 1500 is 150. 150 is not equal to 100. That means this second statement is totally wrong. And coming to the statement 3. And statement 3. Check the statement 3. And 1000. It is value is 1000. And marked up by how much percentage? 20 percentage. That means marking price is 1200. Now money wise how much rupees discounted? 300 rupees discount. That means product is sold out for how much rupees? 900. On 1900 rupees discount, 900 rupees the product is sold out means how much rupees loss? 100 rupees loss. In 100 rupees value is how much percentage? 10 percentage loss. That means statement 3 is exactly correct. Exactly correct. Then statement 3. Then which is the statement is possibility means only 1 and 3 is possibility. Option B is correct. Next. A bag contains 18 number of balls out of which 18 number of balls out of which some are plastic balls and are leather balls. Some are plastic ball means as per the statement 1 plastic balls are 10 and leather balls are 8. 10 comma 8. 10 plus 8 is equal to what? 18. If 2 balls are drawn from the bag, 2 balls are drawn from the bag, total 18 balls are there. Out of 18 balls we have to pick the 2 balls random. Then the probability of getting a plastic ball, plastic balls are what? 10, 10 C2, 10 and 8. Plastic and leather ball is 10 into 8, 10 into 8, 10 into 8 into 2 into 1, because when you are splitting a 8 in C2 you will get 2 into 1, 18 you can split 18 into 17. Then 2 to 18 how many times? 9 times. 17 9 ja is equal to 153 and 80. 80 by 153. 80 by 150. That means statement 1 is exactly correct. Same we can do the calculation for statement 2 also. Check here. Out of 18 balls, plastic balls are 8 means then here leather balls are 10. Leather balls are 10. Same thing. 8 into 10. 8 into 10 by 8 into 10 by 18 C2. 18 into 17 into 2 into 1. Then 2 to 18 how many times? 9 times. Here 8 into 80, 80, 80 by 153. But they are mentioned 40 by 150. That means statement 2 is wrong. Next check the statement 3. Look at the statement 3. Then statement 3 wise, here the 6 balls they are mentioned. Out of 18 balls, 6 balls are belongs to plastic means remaining is how many balls? 12 balls. 12 balls are belongs to leather. Then total 18 balls are there. Out of 18 balls we have to pick the 2 balls. The 2 balls are belongs to, first one is belongs to plastic ball, second one is belongs to leather. 6 into 12. This is we can simplify it. 6 into 12 into 2 into 1 by 18 C2 we can write 18 into 17. 18 into 17. Simplify the terms. 6 how many times? 3 times. And 3 how many times? 4 times. 4 2's are value is what? 18 by 17. 8 by 17. Yes, exactly we get it. 8 by 17. That means statement 3 is also correct. Here 1 and 3 statements are useful to filling a overall the blank values. Then option B is correct. Option B is correct. Next. Sunny started a business with investment of 4,500 rupees. 4,500 rupees. After some months, Gary joined him with an investment of 3,000 rupees. Okay. Then this is what? Sunny and Gary. Gary and Sunny. Here 4,500 and 3,000. Here 0000. 15 3s and 15 2s. That means Sunny invested 3 rupees, Gary invested 2 rupees. Assume it. Then coming to the calculation, then Sunny invested 3 rupees, Gary invested 2 rupees. Then Gary joined after the 3 months means after the 3 months. Why I consider the 3 months? Is as per the statement 1 they mentioned 3 months. After the 3 months he joined means he have a how many months experience? 9 months experience. End of the year. Year wise 9 months experience. Then total months is experience by for Sandeep. and investment into time compulsory you will get a, what is the ratio here? Profit ratio. 9 2s are 18 and 12 3s are 36. It is a, what is the profit ratio? 2:1. 2 plus 1 is equal 3 parts. 3 parts is equal 3900. 3 parts is equal 3900 means 1 part is equal 1300. 1 part is equal 1300. That means Gary will get how much rupees? 1300. Option, it is a correct. 1300 is correct. Statement 1 is exactly correct. And look at the statement 2. Here we have checked statement 1. As it is, we check the statement 2. Here is Sunny invested 3 rupees and Gary invested 2 rupees. Now Gary invested now after the 6 months. As per the statement 2, after the 6 months means remaining 6 months is left. Then Sunny invested for 12 months. Then 12 3s is 36. 6 2s is 12. 12 to 36, what is the ratio? 3:1. 3 plus 1 is equal 4 parts. 4 parts is not 4 parts is equal to 3900. 4 parts is equal to 3900. Then 1 part is equal to how much? 4 parts is equal to 3900. You can't get 1 part values as 1000. That means this statement 2 is wrong. Statement 2 is wrong. Check the statement 3. Here Sunny invested 3 rupees and Gary invested 2 rupees. Then 4500 and 3000. I calculated like a 3:2. I am assuming 3:2. Then here Sunny invested for 12 months. Then Gary invested for how many months? He joined after the 4 months. After the 4 months means his experience is 8 months. 8 2s are 16 and 12 3s is 36. Cancel the measurements here. Then 4 3s are and 4 2s are and 3 3s are is 9. Here profit ratio is what? 9:4. 9:4. 9 plus 4 is equal to how many parts? 13 parts. 13 is dividing to 3900. Then 13 parts is equal to 3900 means 1 part is equal to 300. 1 part is equal to 300. Then 4 parts is equal to how many hundred? 1200. 1200. Here is also mentioned 1200. That means here is also correct. That means statement 1 is correct. Statement 3 is correct. Statement 1 is correct. Statement 3 is correct. Option E is suitable. Next. The sum of the present ages of Rahul and Jenny is some years. The ratio of age of Rahul 8 years hence to Jenny some years ago is what? Okay. Then the sum of the present ages of Rahul and Jenny is how many years? 80 years. Okay. The ratio of age of Rahul 8 years hence to Jenny 8 years, 4 years ago. This is 8 years hence. This is 8 years hence. Then as per the statement 1, this is a how many years ago? 4 years ago. We are increasing 8 years, we are increasing 8 years and decreasing 4 years. Then increasing 8 years, decreasing 4 years means it is value plus 8 minus 4. Plus 8 minus 4 is equal to plus 4. Then overall the sum value is becoming how many years? 84 years. 84 years. This 84 years we have to write the ratio 11:10. 11:10 means total is how many parts? 21 parts. 21 parts is equal to 84. 21 parts is equal to 84. 1 part is equal to 4 units. Then 21 is completely dividing 84. That means statement 1 is exactly correct. Statement 1 is exactly correct. Coming to the statement 2. Here sum value is 80 years. Already we know sum value is 80 years. Sum value is now it is 50 years. Sum value is here the 50 years. Here is how much? 50 years. And Rahul 8 years hence. Rahul 8 years hence. That means plus 8. And Jenny is 6 years ago. Now it is not 4, it is a 6 years ago. 6 years ago means minus 6. Then 50 plus 8 minus 6, it is the result is become what? 52. Result is what? 52. 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. 13 is completely dividing 52. 13 is completely dividing 52 means the statement 2 is exactly correct. Okay. Next statement 3. Here 60. Here 60. After 8 years means plus 8. Then 4 years ago. This value is, we can fill it what? 4 years ago. Then here 4 years ago. That means plus 8 minus 4. Plus 8 minus 4 means the result is how much? 64. 64 is completely divisible by 5 plus 3 is how many parts? 8 parts. 8 is dividing to 64. 8 is dividing to 64. You can calculate 5 parts and 3 parts. You can easily manage the values we required. That means statement 3 is exactly correct. 1 correct, 2 correct, 3 correct. All correct. Then option A. Next. We have a simplification. 12.09 percentage we can write 12 percentage of 790 we can write 790 into 228. It is nearly we can write 225. Root of 225 value is 15 plus 364 divided by 13 minus 45 into root of 15 you can write root of 16. Because root of 15 we are unable to solve, then we require the decimal, we get the decimals, then make it the perfect value root of 16. Approximation wise 45 4 is 180. and 13 is going to cancel. 13 2 is 26, remaining is 104, 13 8 28 minus 180, and this is the simplification is required. Look at 12 into 15, 12 into 15 is equal to 180, and percentage wise 1010 will be cancelled. 18 will be multiplying to 79, 18 will be multiplied to 79. Then here 80 into 18, what I am doing, 80 into 18, it is equal to what is the value, 1440, it is equal to 1440, but I need 79 times. I am calculating for 80 times. That means one time will be removed. Then one time will be removed means 18 will be removed. You will get what is the value, 1422, 1422, 1422 plus 28 minus 18. That is our answer. Then 22 plus 28, it is equal to 1450 minus 180. Okay. Then 1000 as it is, 450 minus 180. 450 minus 180 is equal to 270. Then final answer is 1270, option A. Option A. Next, root of 1525. Root of 1525 is very nearly 39 into 11. Okay. Then 15.98 you can write 16. Okay. 1521, it is a root of 1521 value, we can write 39. And 1225 is very near to 1230, it is a value is 35 minus 3423 divided by 7. Cancel with 7. 7 how many times? 7 4s are. 7 4s are is 28. 28 means remaining value is what? 62. 7 8 is 56. 56 to 62, 6 difference, 6 3 means 7 9 it is value is 489. Next, 16 into 35. 16 into 35 means nothing but 8 into 70. 8 into 70 means it is equal to 8 7 560. Yes, 8 7 56 and extra 0. And 39 into 11. 39 into 11 you can apply the 40 into 11 also. Otherwise, 9 in 39 into 11 here is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. Carry forward is 1. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 429. Then 429, 560 and 489. Okay, 489 and 429. 489, 429. Here the difference is how much? Minus 60. Here the difference is how much? Minus 60. 429, 480 cancel, it is a minus 60. 560 and minus 60. 560 minus 60, then final answer is how much? 500. Then option D. Option D here. Next we have a statement based questions. Here the question, and here the statement 1 and here the statement 2. 8 boys and 12 girls can complete a work in how many days? 15 days. In how many days 15 girls can complete the same piece of work? That means we need the relation between boys and girls. A boy is 50% more efficient than girl. That means once you need the relation is generated by time wise, either efficiency wise with different genders, then you easily calculate the question. That means statement 1 is enough to finding an answer. Now look at the statement 2 also individually. 10 boys and 5 girls together can complete a same piece of work in 18 days. Already they mentioned 8 boys and 12 girls complete a work in 15 days, and 8b plus 12g into 15 is equal to, we can use the m1d1 is equal to m2d2 formula. When you are applying this, you will get this answer with relation between boys and girls. That means statement 2 is flexible to getting an answer. That means we need the statement 1 or statement 2. Any one statement is required. Either or. Which is the option is perfect to getting an answer, either or otherwise. Okay. Here the data either 1 alone or statement 2 alone. 1 or 2. 1 or 2. Here the option C is correct. Option C is correct. Check it. Next one. Here the statement 1. Here the statement 2. Here the question. Okay. The distance between Madurai and Nagarkoil is 480 kilometers. Can Raj drive from Madurai to Nagarkoil is less than 12 hours. It's less than 12 hours. Is it possible to complete a 480 kilometers in less than 12 hours? Look at the average speed of Raj during the whole journey is less than 40 kmph. Less than 40 kmph. Less than 40 kmph means, for example, you can take 480 by 40. 480 by 40, 0 will be cancelled. 48 by 4 is equal to how many hours? If he maintain the 40, compulsory he will take 12 hours. But less than 40 means the answer should be what? When the speed was decreased, time will be increased. Then speed was decreased, then time will be increased means then the statement 1 is exactly useful. That means we have to take a decision. Decision is what? Raju can from Madurai to Narkoni less than 12 hours? No. You can say no when he is maintaining the average speed of Raj during the whole journey is less than kmph. 40 కంటే తక్కువగా ఉన్నప్పుడు వాడు పరిగెట్టగలడా వెళ్ళగలడా అంటే వెళ్ళలేడు. That means we are clearly getting an answer with statement 1. Either you have to mention the answer, is it possible or not? Yes, it is not possible when you are going with statement 1. Okay, but the statement is correct. The statement is giving the answer either or. Okay, yes or no. Yes, you are saying no. Then statement 2. The statement 2 is she is driving the car. The maximum speed of car can be 80 kmph. The maximum speed of the car is what? 80 kmph. Exactly. Then it is the saying here the Madurai to Nagarkurnool, the average speed Raj can drive means he is driving the car. The maximum speed of car can be 80 kmph. Maximum is 80 kmph means then 480 by 80 means simply you will go with the 6 hours. That means statement 2 is also helpful. Here is also I will go with the yes, clearly mentioned Raj can drive from Madurai to Nagarkurnool in less than 12 hours. What is less than 12 hours? The person will be complete a journey is less than 12 hours is possible or not? Yes. Statement 1 wise is clearly mentioned. It is giving answer yes or no. Yes or no wise? No, it is not possible. Then the statement 2 wise, yes, it is a possibility when it is a maximum speed is maintaining 80. That means here is also you can choose either or. Either or means option C. Option C. Next, find the total number of days taken by A to finish the work. Statement 1 and statement 2. A and B together can complete a work in 12 days. B and C together can complete a work in 18.7 days. Then we require that A and C also. A and C relation is not mentioned. A and C not mentioned. Then statement 1 alone is not correct. Go for the statement 2 now. A and C together can complete a 70% work in 10 days. And B and C together can complete a 60% work in 11.25 days. Here they are mentioned A and B relation. Next they are mentioned B and C relation. Here missing relation is what? A and C. A and C is not available and A to B or B to C there is no relation like individually. That means statement 1 is not correct. Coming to the statement 2, A and C, I told you already in statement 1 purpose, compulsory we require A and C value. Then A and C is available in statement 2. A and C is available in statement 2 and B and C is also available. B and C is also available. Okay. Then when combining two statements, compulsory you will getting a answer. Combining two statements, you will get an answer clearly. The data given both the statements 1 and 2 together are necessary. That means option E. Option E. 1 and 2 together are necessary. Option E correct. Next. What will be the sum of the ages of Mala and Divya after 2 years? Okay, statement 1 and statement 2. After 5 years, the ratio of ages of Mala and Divya is 9:7. Okay, this is after 5 years. Present ages of Divya is 75% of percentage of Mala. Look at then Mala and Divya, the ratio is 9:7. 9:7. This is after 5 years. After 5 years. After 5 years after the ratio is 9:7. Okay. Next ratio, present age of Divya is 75% of Mala. 75% of Mala means then Mala is 100%, Divya is 75%. 100 and 75 both will be cancelled with 25. 25 4s are 25 3s are. Then 9:7 become a 4:3 when it is present and 9:7 is after 5 years. If you are solving this equation wise, compulsory you will get an answer. Then here the statement not 1 and not 2 alone is not clear. But when you combining these two statements, then Mala individual age, Divya individual age will be get. Once you get the values, you can easily calculate an answer. Then here is also you should depends on 1 and 2 together. 1 and 2 together means which option is correct? Option E. Next. Yeah, next we have a case like DA. Two friends whose salary is in the ratio 9:11 and the difference between the salary of B and A is 10,000. Total savings of A and B is 32,750 and their savings ratio is 54:77. Saving percentage of A is same as rent percentage of B. Total rent amount of A and B is 25,500. Amount spent by A on food is 6750. Rent percentage of A is the same as the food percentage of B. Okay, if we need to solve this question, first of all we have to simplify this data. We'll simplify it. First we can take two friends are there, their salary is what is the ratio? 9:11. 9:11. here the A, and next one is B. And their salaries ratio is, what is the ratio? 9:11. And clearly mention the difference between salary of A and B is 10,000 rupees. Then 9 to 11, how many parts gap? 2 parts. 2 parts is equal to 10,000 rupees. 2 parts is equal to 10,000 rupees means 1 part is equal to 5,000. Then it is become B salary is 55,000 and A salary is 45,000. 45,000. Next, total saving of A and B is 32,750. Total savings of A and B is 32,750 and their savings ratio is 54 and 77. 50 plus 17 is equal to 120 and 4 plus 7 is equal to 131. Here 32750 by 131. Total how many parts? 131 parts into, you need 54 parts. You need how many parts? 54 parts for whose savings? A savings. Okay. Multiply the measurements. 131 how many times? 131 directly calculate. 131 3 times. 3 times is possible, you will get 391, 393. Then you will go the 2 times. 131 2s are 262. 262 is removed from here. 262 is removed from 327. Okay. 262 means remaining value 38. 38 plus 27. 38 plus 27 is equal to 65. 655. 655 means it is a how many times? 5 times. And 250 into 54. 250 into 54 which is equal to A saving. A savings. A savings we have to write it. Then 25 into 54. 0. 25 4 is 100. 0 carry forward is 10. 25 5 is 125. 125 plus 10 is equal to 135. Then from total salary, savings will be removed. Remaining belongs to expenditure. Remaining belongs to expenditure. The expenditure we can write here 00 and 5 and 44 minus 13, it is a 31. 31,500 and 13,500. 13,000 and 31,000, it is a 44,000. 500, 500 plus 1,000. 44,000 plus 1,000, 45,000. As it is, we can multiply here 250 into what is the number? 77 for B savings. 25 into 7. 25 into 7 is equal to, there is a 0. There is a 0. 25 into 7 is equal to 175. 5 carry forward is 17. Carry forward is 17. 25 into 7 again 175. 175 plus 17. 175 plus 17 is equal to what? 192. 1920. 19250. From 55,000, 19,250 remove it, you will get what is the value? Expenditure. For example, 20,000 remove it. 20,000 remove it, you will get what? 35,000. 35,000 extra 750 add it. Here 35,750. 750 donate here, it is becoming 20,000. 20,000 plus 35,000, total is how much? 55,000. Clearly. Next, expenditure, savings and income. This is the A person and B person. Look at saving percentage of A is same as rent percentage of B. Okay. Saving percentage in 45,000, 13,500 is a how much percentage? How much percentage? It is equal to 30 percentage. How much percentage? 30 percentage. Why? Because 45 to 135 how many times? 3 times. Then 45 to 135 3 times, it is equal to how much percentage? 30 percentage. This is 30 percentage and this is also equal to rent of the rent for B. Rent for B means we need to calculate rent. Rent is how much? 30 percentage of 55,000. Yes. 3 5s are 15. 15 into 11 is equal to 1650. 16,500. Then B paying in 30 percentage of total salary. 30 percentage of total salary. A saving percentage is equal to B rent percentage. Then B rent percentage how much percentage? 30. Here 30 means here 30. 30 percentage of 55,000 is how much? 16,500. 10% is 5,500. Then 30% is equal 16,500. Then from 35,750, 16,500 will be removed. Remaining value will be generated. Next. Total rent amount of A and B is how much rupees? 25,500. A plus B rent value 25,500. In 25,500, 16,500 will be removed. You will get 9,000. You will get how much rupees? 9,000 rupees is a rent. 9,000 rupees is a rent. Clearly. Amount spent by food on 6750. Food purpose. Food purpose how much rupees? 6750. 6750. Okay, clear. And rent completed, food completed. There is a other section like others. Okay, there is a other expenditures. Then expenditures we are removing. Now 9,000 plus 6,000, it is a 15,000. 15,000 is removing from the 31,500. Here 15,000 is removing from the 31,000, you will get 16,000. 16,500. From 16,500, 500 remove it, you will get 16,000. And 16,000 extra 250 remove it, you will get 15,750. Okay, 750, 750, 1500, 1500, then separate 1500. 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 plus 15 is equal 30,000. 30,000 plus 1500, 31,500. Next, amount spent by A on food is 6750 completed. Rent percentage of A is, rent is how much rupees? 9,000 rupees. 9,000 rupees is in 45,000, 9,000 rupees is how much percentage? How much percentage? 20 percentage. How much percentage? 20 percentage. 10 percentage 4,500. Then 20 percentage is equal 9,000. This is how much percentage? 20 percentage. 20 percentage rent percentage of A is the same as the food percentage of B. As the same as the food percentage of B. Already we know rent is how much percentage? 30 percentage. This 30 percentage, this 30 percentage they taken. Next here we can take food. Food is equal to how much percentage? 20 percentage. In 55,000, 20 percentage is how much? 10 percentage 5,500. 20 percent is equal to how much? 11,000 value. 11,000 value. Then rent and food is completed. Remaining section is belongs to others, other expenditures. Then from 35,750, this value will be removed. 16,000 plus 11,000. 16,000 plus 11,000, 27,500. 27,500. Look at from 750, 500 will be removed. Result is 250. And 35,000, 27,000 remove it. 35,000, 27,000 remove it. You will get how many thousand? 8,000. 8,250 is belongs to others expenditure. Now you will get here the diagram is belongs to expenditures. Here also is belongs to expenditure, savings and income. Every term is available here. Now based on this we have to calculate a question. Look at the first one. Look at the first one. Here the question here. Find the difference between A amount spent on others A and B. Others. Here 15,750. Here 8,250. Here 750 to 250 difference is 500. 15,000 to 8,000 difference is 7,000. 7,500 means option C. Option C. Next question. What is the ratio between the amount spent rent by B and A? B and A. B rent value 16,500. 16,500. A rent value is 90,000. 90,000. Here 9,000. Sorry, 9,000. 0000 cancel. 90 and 165 both will be cancelled with 15 table. 15 11s and 15 6s. Then final ratio is what? 11:6. 11:6 means option A. Next, 188. The amount spent on expenditure by A is, the amount spent on expenditure by A is approximately, expenditure of A is what? 31,500. Approximately how much percentage less than the amount spent on expenditure by B? Here 31,500 to 35,750 difference is how much? Here difference is 750 to 500 difference is 250. Next 35,000 to 31,000 difference is 4,000. 4,000. Here 4250 is comparing to 35,750. We need percentage multiply with 100. Okay. Here terms 2 zeros will be cancelled. 2 zeros will be cancelled. Here 425 rupees required out of 3,575. 10 percentage you can take it. 10 percentage you can take it. What is the value? You will get 3575. Okay, 357.5. 10 percentage of 3,575. But I need to reach 425. Extra 5 percentage take. 5 percentage means more than 150. But I need just how much? Here 50 plus 20 just we required 70 rupees. 70 rupees purpose how much percentage? 1 percentage is 35 rupees. 1 percentage is 35 rupees. Then 2 percentage means 70 rupees. That means it is equal to 10 percentage plus 2 percentage. Total is 12 percentage. Option D. Option D here. Next. What is the average amount spent on food by A and B? Food. Food is how much rupees? 6750 and 11,000. 11,000 plus 6750 it is equal to 17,750. 17,750 by 2. 17,000 of value is 8,500. and 750 half value is 375. 8875. 8875 means option E. Next, the amount spent by A on others. A on others 15750 is what percentage of total salary of A? Then 15750 by 45,000. We need percentage, multiply with 100. 00, 000, 0 will be cancelled. 45 is going to cancelling 1575. Then 5 9s are 5 9s are 5 3s are is 15 and 5 15s are 5 15s are 315 by 9. 9 to 315. How many times? 9 3s are is 27. Remaining is how much? 45. 9 5s are. It is equal to how much percentage? 35%. Option B. 35% option B. Yes. Next we have a different data. Based on this data, we have to simplify the questions. Look it. What is the percentage of X is Y? What is the percentage of X is Y means? Then X value is 4 parts and Y value is 1 part. Then you can easily get. Substitute here 4 and Y, 4 and 1. You will get an answer. That means statement 1 is exactly correct. 400% of Y is equal to X. 400% of Y is equal to X here. Then here is exactly getting an answer. 400% of Y, 400 by 4. 4Y is equal to X. 4Y is equal to X means simply you will get X value, Y value in ratio wise. Then you will get a percentage. That means statement 2 is also correct. X percentage of Y is equal to 16. X percentage of Y is equal to 16 means X percentage of Y is equal to 16. Then X value, Y value, what we can assume? Okay. 4 4s are, 8 2s are, 2 8s are. Okay. What we can assume? It is a too hectic. That means assumptions are going more and we are unable to assume the X comma Y perfectly. Then statement 3 is not supportive to getting an answer. That means we require the only 1 and 2. 1 and 2 means then here the answer is only here 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Here only 1 and 2. Basically it is required only 1 and 2. Option A. Option A. Next. In what time will train A cross another train B coming from the opposite direction? Length of train A is thrice that of B. Okay. Then speed of train A and B is 84 kmph, 60 kmph. Here the speeds are mentioned and here the length of train A is how many times is mentioned and next length train A B is mentioned. Once you know the train length B, then you can easily expect train A length. Then L1 plus L2 by S1 cross each other in opposite. S1 plus S2 is equal to L1 plus L2 by S1 plus S2 is equal to crossing time. L1 is equal to train A length, L2 is equal to train B length, S1 is equal to train A speed, S2 is equal to train B speed. That means every term is available when you are combining the three statements. Combining the three statements, then answer is what? All three. All three statements are required to finding an answer. Next. Next we have a data. The 5 shopkeepers namely Radha, Sujit, Suraj, Rohit and Ramanya sold 3 colored candies, red, orange and green. The pie chart given below shows the distribution of number of green candies sold by each shopkeeper either in a degree or in a percentage measures. Difference between number of green candies sold by Radha and Ramanya is how much? 90. Then distribution of green candies here. Then first of all we have to simplify this. We have to simplify this. Then 45 degrees is equal to how much percentage? 45 by 360. Okay. Then 45 by 360. We need percentage, multiply with 100. Here 0 0 will be cancelled. Okay. Next here cancel with 9 4s are and 9 5s are. 50 by 4. 50 by 4 is equal to 25 by 2. It is equal to how much percentage? 12.5 percentage. Of course 360 half value 180, 180 half value 90, 90 half value 45. 45 degrees is equal to how much percentage? 12.5 percentage. Here 12.5 percentage, here 22 percentage, here the 64.8 degrees. This is also we should convert into percentage. 64.8 degrees, 64.8 by 360. We need percentage, multiply with 100. Here 0 0 will be cancelled, decimal purpose 10 will be cancelled and 36 648 both will be cancelled with 9. 9 4s are, 9 7s are is 63, remaining is 9 2s are. 72 by 4 is equal to how much percentage? 18 percentage. 18 percentage. This is equal to how much percentage? 18 percentage. Now look at 27.5 plus 12.5. 12.5 27.5 40. Then 18 plus 22 is equal to 40. 40 plus 40 is equal to 80. Total circle should be equal to 100. Out of 100, 40 means 80 completed, means remaining Ramanya is equal to how much percentage? 20%. How much percentage? 20%. And clearly mention difference between number of green candies. This is the total chart. This total chart of the green candies only. This is total values belongs to green candies. Then distribution of green candies sold. Distribution of green candies sold. Then green candies wise. Then Radha and Ramanya, how many candies difference? 90. Radha and Ramanya. Radha is 12.5 degrees. Ramanya is how many degrees? 20% degrees. Then 20%. 20% to 12.5%. How much percentage difference? 7.5% difference. 7.5% difference. 7.5% is equal to how much? 90. 90. 15 Pfizer. 15 Pfizer is 75. 15 Sixa. 15 Sixa. 0.5% is equal to 6. Then 1% is equal to how much? 12. 1% is equal to 12. 10% is equal to 120. 100% is equal to 1200. That means this total circle value is belongs to, and green candies belongs to how many? 1200. Total this circle is equal to 1200. In this 1200 we have to separate the Ramanya. 20% is required. In 1200, 10% is 120. 20% is equal to how much? 240. And 27.5% is required. How to calculate 27.5%? 25% is remove it. In 1200 half value 600, 600 half value 300. 300. This is till now just 27.25%, but I need 2.5%. 25% is 300 means 2.5% is 30. The total value is 330. Total value 330. 27.5% is equal to what is the value? 330. Next, 22% is required. 22% means percentage wise 2 zeros cancel. 2 12s are 24. 24 11s are 264. 264. Now I need 18%. 18%. 18 can be multiplying to directly 12. 18 12s is 36. Carry forward is 3. And 18 1s are 18. 18 plus 3 is equal to 216. 216. Next, what is the value is missing? Here 12.5% is there. In 1200 half value 600, that is 50%. 600 half value 300, it is 25%. And 300 half value 150, it is a 12.5%. It is equal to how much? 150. 150, 264, 216 and 330 and 240. This all the values are added, it should be equal to how much? 1200. 1200. So compulsory we have to make the table for green candies purpose. Green candies purpose we have to make a table. And later on we have a other simplification is also there. Okay. Then we'll write the values. Green candies. Green candies. Radha green candies is how much? 150. And Sujit is how much? 264. And Suraj is how much? 216. And next here Rohit is how much? 330. And next finally Ramanya have how much? 240. 240. Okay, this 240, 330, 216, 264, 150. 264 plus 216, 480. 480 plus 240, it is a 720. 720 plus here the 330, it is a 1050. 1050 plus 150, it is equal, total value is how much? 1200. Then total green candies is belongs to how much? 1200. Okay, once we fix these values, then I am erasing. Okay, because I noted these values. Now it is not the pie chart value is not required. Then go for the next data. The next data is mentioned another diagram also. That's why we noted the values. The bar graph given below shows the average number of green and orange candies. Green and orange candies. Then 195 double. 195 double is equal to how much? 190 double is 380. 195 double is 390. This 390 is a combination of what? Green. Then a bar graph given below shows the average of number of green and orange. Green and orange. Green value is already been known 150. Green value is already been known 150. Then green value is removing from the 390. This is 150 and remaining value is what here, then orange value we can write 390 minus 150, it is value is 240, it is value is 240. And the condition wise, average number of green and orange candidates sold, it is a green color. Percentage of orange candidate, percentage of orange candidate is how much percentage? 32%. 240 by 32%. Then 32% is equal to 240. Then 100% is equal to how much? That means we need to calculate first person Radha. Radha, how many articles are sold out? Okay, how many candidates sold out? Green wise 150. And green and orange wise total is 390. Okay, 390 plus 150 will get, but here we can apply the 32%. The 32% means then it is equal to 240. 32% is equal to 240. 100% is equal to how much? Look at here, 8 4s are 8 4s are 8 3s are 8 3s are 4% is equal to 30 and 100% is equal to how much? 4% is equal to 30, 2% is equal to 15, 1% is equal to 7.5, 10% is equal to 75, 100% is equal to how much? 750. 100% is equal to 750. Then total candidates by Radha, how many candidates sold out? 750 sold out. How many sold out? 750 sold out. Similarly, we can do that 750. Out of 750, 150 gone. Out of 750, 150 gone, remaining 600. In 600, 240 gone. In 600, 240 gone, remaining is 360. The 360 belongs to another color is also there. Not only green and orange, there is another color. The another color is what? Red. Okay. Then green, orange, red is there. Then red or blue. Okay, red oranges is there. The 360 belongs to red. The 360 belongs to red here. Then 150 belongs to green, 240 belongs to orange. Remaining 360 belongs to how much here? How much here? That is a red color. As it is, we have to solve for the Sujit and Suraj and Rohit and Ramanya. Okay. Similarly, we have to calculate for the every person here. Yes, we have to create a table for similarly remaining values also. Yes. So for the remaining values purpose also, we should create like Sujit and Suraj and Rohit and Ramanya. Every persons we have to calculate to create a total values and create a table. Already I created a table for here. Okay. So from this we have required the total values. This is the green value, orange value, red value and total value for the 5 persons. Then based on this we have to solve the questions. Yeah, look at the first one. Ratio of total number of candidates sold by Rohit and Ramanya respectively. Rohit is 720, Ramanya is 600. Then 720 and 600, 0 will be cancelled. 72 and 60 both will be cancelled with 12. 12 6 are 12 5 are 12 6 are 12 5 are means option A. Option A. Next, number of red candidates sold by Radha is Radha. Here the Radha. Then Radha red candidate is what? 360. How much percentage more than or less than? More or less than number of red candidates sold by Sujit. Red candidates sold by Sujit 240. Yes. It is a comparing to 240, 360 is more. How much more? 120 more. 120 by 240 into 100. It is equal to 50%. Option C. Next. Average of number of orange candies sold by all the 5 shopkeepers together is. Average of number of orange candies sold. Orange candies means this total value. Total value is how much? 1290. This 1290 is divided by what is the number? 5. Okay. Then 5 is dividing 129 double simply. 129 double is how much? 258. 5 2s are 5 5s are 5 8s are. Okay. Then answer is 258. Option B. Next. It's somewhat lengthy. Total number of candidates sold by Rajan. You can observe that there is no Rajan. Is 40% more than the total number of candidates sold by Radha and Suraj together. Radha value is 750. Suraj value is 800. It is become a 1550. In 1550 we required how much percentage? 40% more. Then 140% is required directly. Then 2 zeros will be cancelled percentage. 14 5s is 70. Carry forward is 7. 14 5s are 70. 70 plus 7 is 77. Carry forward is 7. 14 1s are 14. 14 plus 1 is equal to 21. 2170. Now Rajan is a new candidate. New candidate comparing to Radha and Suraj value purpose 40% more. Then final value is become a 2170. Next, Number of red candies sold by Rajan is 30% is more than total number of red candies sold by Radha and Sujit together. Radha and Sujit, first two members, 360 plus 240, 360 plus 240, 600. In 600, 30% is more. In 600, 30% is more means 780. Okay, 30%, 13 6 is 780. That means 780 is belongs to red. It is belongs to red. In 2170, 780 will be removed. You will get remaining, that is belongs to remaining colors. Okay. Now find the number of green candies sold by Rajan if the ratio of number of orange and green candies sold by Rajan is, what is the ratio? 2:3. Here orange and green, what is the ratio? 2:3. We need to calculate find of number of green. Green means how many parts? 3 parts. 3 by 5. 3 by 5 of from 2170 780 will be removed. Look at from 20 70 will be removed, you will get 13. 170 80 will be removed, you will get what is the value? 90. 1390. Observe that 1300 plus 700 2000, 80 plus 90 170, 2000 plus 170 2170. Now 1390, from 1390 we require 5 parts. Look at 5 2s are 10, remaining is 39, 5 7s is 35, remaining is 40, 5 8s. This 278 is multiplying 3. Okay, 27 3s are 81, 8 10, 8 3s is 24, 8 10 plus 24, 8 10 plus 24, it is equal to what is the value? 834. Option B. Option B here. Total number of red candies sold by Suraj and Rohit together is Suraj here, this 200, Rohit is 120, 200 plus 120, 200 plus 120, it is equal to how much? Option A 320. Next we have a number series. The data is completed. Focus the number series here. 113 and 130 and 105. Here is a how much added? 113 became a 130. Here added 17 and 130 became a 105. Removed 25. Removed how much? 25. 105 became a 135. Added by 30 and 135 became a 93. How much removed? 42 is removed. 42 is decreased. 93 became a 149. 3 became a 9. It is 6. 6 added. 90 became a 40. 140. It is a 50. Then look at the logic. 56 you can write 7 into 8. And 42 you can write 6 into 7. And 30 you can write 5 into 6. Then what about 25 and 17? Here we should maintain 4 into 5. Here we should maintain 3 into 4. 3 into 4 means not 17. It is the value is 12. 12 will be going to adding 113 plus 12, it is not 130, it is value is 125, and 4 5 is not 25, it is a 20. Then 125 minus 20 is equal to 105. 105 is exactly correct. Then we are changing the number is 130. The wrong number is 130. Option B. Option B. Next. Here 2 7 25 131 925 and 10 184. 2 into how many times? 2 into 3, for example. 2 into 3 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. That is the one constant. But 7 to 25 how many times? Mostly it is a 3 times. 7 3s is 21 and added by 4. Here is what I am doing. 2 2s is 4. 2 2s is 4 and added by 3. Multiplied 2, added by 3. Multiplied 3, added by 4. Next 25. 25 4s. 25 4s value is 100. Okay. 25 5s. You can check 25 5s. 25 5s is 125 added by 6. Added by 6. Next 2 completed, 3 completed, 5 completed. Next number is what? 7. Why I am multiplying with 7? 2 3 5 is a prime number. 5 after the next number is 7 only. 7 1s 7, 13 1s 13 7s 91. 917. 917. Now 7 after the next number is what? 8. We are multiplying with 7. 7 extra added by 1, then 8 will be added. It is becoming 925. Next, here is multiply with what is the number? 7 after the next number is 11 only. 7 after the next number 11. Then 11 after we can add it by what is the number? 12. In this procedure 2, 7, 25, 135, 925, these all the numbers are exactly correct, means then wrong number is what? 10184. And you can observe that here 5 into 1 5, last number is 5, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 but not 4. That means wrong number is what? 10,184. Then option B. Option B. Next, here 17, 66, 129, 206, 295 and 402. Here 17 to 66, how many times multiply? Is there any multiplication? Either check the differences here, because it is a little bit difference is there. 17 to 66 difference is here, what is the value? 49 or 39? 49. 17 plus 40 is equal to 57. 57 plus 9 is 66. And next, 6 become a 9 means 3 and 6 become a 12 means 63. And 129 became a 206, 9 became a 6. Here 129 to 200, how much added? 71. 71 plus 6 is equal to 77, clearly. And 206 to 295, difference is how much? Here 79 or 89? 89. And 295 to 404, difference. 300 to 402, difference 102. 102 plus 5, it is equal to 107. 107. Now look at here, this is the value is 7 into 7. Here the value is 7 into 9 and here the value is 7 into 11. 7 into 7, 7 into 9, 7 into 11 means it should be what? 7 into 13 and it should be what? 7 into 15. Then 7 into 13 value is not 81. Then it is value is 91. 206 plus 91. 206 plus 91 value is wrong number is 295. Then right number is 297. Then 7 into 15, it is 107, it is value is 105. And observe that 297 plus 105 exactly 402. Exactly 402. That means the wrong number is 295. Then correct number is 297. Then answer is what? Option D. Option D.